Good morning. Today we are here to celebrate Cyber Jagrukta Diwas. So let us know about some online predators.
Oh, look at you. Do you know what's going around? Nimi hasn't eaten anything, nor she spoke to anyone the whole day.
Why? What happened to her?
From yesterday, she hasn't touched her laptop even. I don't know. Seems like she is frightened of something.
What happened all of a sudden?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
Is anybody frightening her online?
Frightening online? Are you suspecting any online predator? Oh goodness.
Let me call her. Nimi, come here, dear.
Now, Sai, you
Beta,
become.
whom
Okay, okay. Do it. Sorry. Do it.
Beta, whom do you like most, mom or dad?
Dad, I love both of you.
Oh, thank you.
Sai, you are father now.
Okay, beta, what happened to you? Seems dull.
No, Dad,
Don't worry, I'm here. Tell me now, how can I help you?
I'm really scared. Oh no, what if he comes home?
Who? Any of your online friends?
Yes, he chats every day. He knows my name, address, age, everything. Nowadays, he uses bad words. He also told that if I discuss about the chat to anyone, he will cause harm to my family members. He also may turn up to my house.
What will happen next?
Don't worry.
Don't respond to his message, even if he continuously disturbs you. See the after days. He may not chat. Still, if he bothers you, I will take care of him by taking to his parents or I will report to the cyber police.
Beta, Beta also remember these online facilities are for sharing among known members. Never chat with anybody until you know them like classmates, friends, family members, etc.
Thank you very much. Tips:
All
always take security measures like privacy settings and set the limited view of your profile.
Tamojit.
Scroll down a little bit.
Ignore or delete the mails from unknown users.
We are not able to see the second point,
Okay,
second and
okay.
the
It is not
rest of the
visible.
points.
Okay, I am reading it out. So the tips are: always take security measures like privacy settings and set the limited view of your profile. Ignore or delete the mails from unknown users. It is suggested to hide personal information like interests, hobbies, and family details to online friends. Do not get led by any strangers into changing your habits and thoughts. Take your parents take your parents if you want to meet your online friends. Don't be scared of threats. Inform your parents and report to police. So we are celebrating Cyber Jagrukta Diwas today. First Wednesday of every month we are celebrating. Now today's topic was your impersonation scams, or this type of online predators are there. So many people are opening the account in the name of the bank's false account, fake accounts, and they will try to communicate with you like fake colleges, fake bank accounts, fake police accounts, etc. As well as this online predators, many will try to be your friend. They will try to help you in your studies or whatever it is. They know that you all are going through a, means, just a changes are taking place. So they will try to help you, they will try to get your information, and after that they will try to harm or threat you, it may be. So discuss with your seniors that these all things are happening, so that your parents, your teachers can help you to cope up with all these things. So this is nothing, because many are helping also. It is not that all are not helping. Yes, there are 50% chances that they will be fraud, they will not help you. So we will try to take all the advantages of this cyber or online or social media. There are many advantages also. I will not tell that all are disadvantages, but since you all are young, you all don't know many things, so maybe sometimes you may be in problem. So better to discuss with your seniors and get help, and don't be afraid of these things. If anybody will threat you that I will tell about you to others, I will make make you public, so don't be afraid of all these things. Never be afraid of others. Clear? So talk with your seniors, talk with your parents, and they will give you a nice solution. So thank you, Sai, thank you, Tamojit, for this presentation.